Hi, Coach Muslim with you today. I've been getting a lot of questions asking me what's a really good diet to have. So what I like to normally try and make sure I'm eating every day is a good salad. So I'm going to run through with you today how I make my salad, give you some ideas about it and all the benefits that you can get out of it, and hopefully that'll help you feel a lot better, a lot fresher, and give you the energy that you're looking for rather than trying to find energy from artificial food. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually show you a little clip of what I do when I eat every single day. So hopefully that'll inspire you to also eat healthy and get active. Okay, so first of all, what I like to do is, as you can see, I've got quite a few things here. Nothing too fancy, but I've got kale, which I've washed down as well, so just making sure there's no insects on there or whatever. I've got some of these little tomatoes, which I've got some of these little bell peppers as well, which are quite handy. I've got a cucumber, which is a British type cucumber, probably, but anyone will do. And then I've got some pomegranate seeds, got a little bit of lemon. I've got some extra virgin olive oil, then I'm going to add a little bit of Himalayan salt, then a little bit of black pepper, and then I've got a little bit of pomegranate sauce, which is molasses as well. So first of all, what I like to do is I like to cut up the kale first. Now with kale, there's many benefits with this. Obviously it's got there's loads of antioxidants in there as well, vitamin C, vitamin K, and obviously helps reduce the risk of heart disease as well. So I mean all of the things that I'm going to talk about today, just so you don't feel rushed, I'm going to actually put it up on the clip as well and in the description box so you can have a read of it after. So I'm going to just cut it down to small pieces, which I normally like to do, so just there. Here we are, first bit done. So I've got done the kale. Again, not using a huge amount of kale, probably just using a small bunch really, which will really keep the bowl at a decent amount. Otherwise, if you put too much in there, it can be quite strong, so don't want to make it too strong. Right, next thing, I'm moving on to the tomatoes. So I'm going to try and cut them into 4 little pieces here. So there we are, so that's 2 there. Good as well, perfect. So I'll throw that in there as well. Going to move on to the cucumbers now. So again, I prefer them to be a normal size. A lot of them. So what I'd like to do is just put the knife in the middle there. Moving on to the bell peppers. Okay, so what I like to do with the bell pepper is I like to take the head off here initially. So just there, and that, and then I just see anything in there which I don't really like. I just scrape it out. Keep that there. So, I'm going to add some seeds, pomegranate seeds as well. Just probably get a couple of teaspoons of that in. Just going to throw it around in there. Lemon as well. Just going to squeeze half a lemon and see how that. Okay, now I'm going to move on to the olive oil, and normally I would just use 2 tablespoons. So again, have a look at. Then I'll add a little bit of sumac in there. Again, look for my teaspoon then. Can add some whole black pepper. Again, just depends on how much you really like. But I tend to add just a little bit, not too much of it. Right then, moving on to the pomegranate molasses. Again, I'm not going to put too much of it because it's quite a strong flavour. But again, just a light little sprinkle on there. Onto the Himalayan salt. Now I love Himalayan salt. I think it's fantastic. Really good minerals in there. And again, I'll probably use just half a teaspoon in there. I kept some onions out as well. Some people don't like onions, so I actually like onions. I think they're fantastic to taste as well. They're really good antioxidants, but full of them. So I'm going to just cut some onions. Here we are, cool. So get my spoon there now. Just going to give it a mix. Looking absolutely delicious. So there we are. It's what we call a beautiful kale salad. And I look forward to having that a little bit later on. So if you enjoy this, just subscribe to my channel, like and share, and hopefully others can benefit. Take care. Thanks.